your chainsaws. It's time for massmechanic@hotmail.com. The Headless Horseman wrote in from Sleepy Hollow, and he wants to know, how can I clean up spills in my workspace when I'm working on cars? Well, with these shop rags. That's how. All you do is get a roll of blue shop rags, tear one off, and then you take it and wipe away the mess. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you have any car questions, just visit me at massmechanic@hotmail.com. And I'll get back to you as soon as I get out of this truck.